Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I got Roblox working on the Nintendo Switch 2. First, you will need to go into System Settings. So click on System Settings, and right here you want to navigate to Internet. Click on Internet and then Internet Settings. Here it's going to load all of the available internet networks, and you want to click the one which you are connected to. Click on it and then select Change Settings. Now from here you will scroll down until you see DNS settings, and you want to change this to manual. Now once you change this to manual, click on Primary DNS and you want to type this 045, 055, 142, 122. Click on OK, click on Save. Okay, so now this is going to search for networks again, and we just want to find our network. Click on it and connect to this network. Now it should tell us that registration is required, but that's fine. As you can see now, it loads this, and we will click on the first option, which is going to be Google here. So click on Google. Once you click on Google, it might take a bit of time to load, but you just want to be patient. Okay, so you will click on the search bar here and you will search for Roblox. Then you will click on Done. Okay, and the first website that pops up right here, you should see Roblox. So click on Roblox and it should load the website, and once this loads the website, then you will be able to sign in. Now like I said, it might take a little bit of time here. It's not going to be the fastest, but it is going to work. So as you can see, we are on the Roblox website, and you can click on login here in the top right to sign into Roblox, and that is how it works. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.